A serial killer once hunted the streets of California, and even today, nobody knows who he was. He called himself the Zodiac. In the late 1960s, the killer attacked young couples at night, leaving behind almost no evidence. But what terrified America wasn't just the murders. It was the letters.
We should go!
The Zodiac mailed cryptic messages and coded ciphers directly to newspapers, mocking the police and threatening more deaths. One message even claimed, "I like killing people because it is so much fun." As fear spread across California, the killer seemed impossible to stop.
He's talking to us right here. We're
Suspects
just not
came
hearing
and
him.
went, but no one was ever proven guilty. More than 50 years later, the Zodiac Killer remains one of America's darkest unsolved mysteries. To know more about this kind of stuff, subscribe to Velvet Monarchy